Good evening, friends. Welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. Today, we are going to speak a little more about trend reversal. Now, why trend reversal is important? Because the proper trend reversal point helps us optimize our profits, helps us be a winner. So, the question is, what is a trend reversal and why it is so important to a trader? Because there are many indicators that gives us signals to go long or short. If you see here in this chart, you can see a combo of or combination of 10 different indicators that showed or indicated the positions in last 3 weeks. If you can see here, the red shows bearish, green shows bullishness. If you can see here, slowly and steadily, halfway here, the market became bullish. From a little reddish, it had turned a lot of reddish or complete red. From there, little green and complete green by now. Now, we can follow any of these or a number of combinations to identify trend reversal signal. One of the best way is the combination of these 10 indicators. When it's completely turned green here, this is the right point to enter. So there are many indicators that show us the trend reversal points. The right trend reversal point will give us or help us to maximize or optimize our profit. There have been many more trend reversal signals that can point out which is the right entry or which is the right time to enter. But the best thing is to identify, of course, at various times there will be various trend reversal indicators, but we need to identify which is the right trend reversal signal, which is the right time to enter long or exit a long or enter a short or exit a short. If we know which is the right time and close to that reversal signal, if we take an entry, we have more chance of maximizing our profit. So, of course, it is not possible to learn all these things just in few minutes. It will take proper coaching, proper training, proper understanding. And if you are interested in learning this, don't hesitate. Call me. Feel free to call me on 93726-72102 or log into NiftyIndicators.com and raise your query. Thank you very much. Bye bye.